Good morning, children. Welcome to our class. And what is our next chapter, Amma? I will start next chapter. What is that name? Formation of four-digit number. What is our next chapter name? Formation of four-digit number. Okay, children. What is this? One. One. And what is this, children? Nine. 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 It is a single digit. Means one digit. Okay, next I adding 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1 what, children? 10. So you get what? 10. 10 is a what, Amma? That is a two-digit number. 10 is a two-digit number. Okay, children. 9 is the greatest one-digit number, and I adding 1 to the greatest one-digit number, I get smallest two-digit number. What is I get? I will get smallest two-digit number. Now this is don't write, Amma. Please listen. Now next 999. This is also two-digit number, but this is the greatest two-digit number. Okay, I adding like that 1. I get 100. I get 100. What is a 100? That is a three-digit number and the smallest three-digit number. Okay, children. Next one. 999. What is the 999? That is the greatest three-digit number. I am adding to that 1. I get 1000. What is the 1000 number? 1000 is the smallest four-digit number. What is this? This 1000 is the smallest four-digit number. 990. Okay. This is a 999 plus 1 is equal to 1000. This is a show on abacus. Now I show on abacus. Okay, children. Ones, tens and hundreds. Ones plus 9, 9, again 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. Okay, plus 1 bit. What do you get? Adding plus 1. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So, adding plus 1. What do you get, Amma? 1000. Yes, children? Like this. Only one bit in 1000 place. You can understand, children, in every time in the greatest number adding plus 1. You get next digit, digit smallest number, you get it. Okay. This is don't write. First listen how to form four-digit numbers. For example, 10 ones is equal to 110. 10 ones is equal to 110, and again 10 tens is equal to 100. And 10 hundreds is equal to 1000. Okay, children? 10 ones is equal to 110. 10 tens is equal to 100. 10 hundred is equal to, you get 1000. Okay? Okay, children? Let's see now. Activity 1, Amma. In activity 1, write the missing numbers is there. Where here you need this number. Here get 1000 to 10,000 number. You know numbers? Okay, ma? In activity 1, write the missing numbers. Here write the missing numbers. 1000 to 10,000 Amma. Whatever you need numbers, you fill here. Okay, fill up this. This is your homework, amma. Do in your test book. What is this? Write the missing numbers. Do in your test book, amma. Next one, amma. This is activities over. What is your homework? Do in your test. This is writing your numbers. Next one, amma. Activity 2. Write the numbers. Let's see, amma. Write the numbers. Next activity 2, write the numbers. Write the numbers. You get first one 7,000. 7,365. This is your classwork, amma. Please note down. Yeah, 8,000. 272. Next 5,000. 433. Okay, children, write down our answers. What is your first number? 7,365. First you write in 7,000 place. So 1,000 place. First you should write first 1,000 place. In 1,000 number, which number is there? 7. So you write first 7. Next you write next 100 place. In 100 place, which number you get? 3. You should write 3. Next number 65. 65. What is your number? 7,365. The next one, number 8,272. 8,000. First you write 1,000 place. Next 100 place. 100 place you get which number, number? 2. Next 72. Okay, what is our number? 8,272. Next one, number 5,433. 33. Okay, children, please copy it, amma. One more I will explain. Yeah, 8,050. What is your number? 8,052. Okay, first you should write first 1,000 place, amma. What is our 1,000 plus? Which number you get? 8. You should write first 8. Next you write 100 place. Here not given 100 place. So what you doing? You put 0 in 100 place. You put 0 in 100 place. Next one, amma, 52. 52. You can understand? In which place is not given, you should you put a 0. Okay? What is the number? 8,052. 8,052. You can understand? I think you can understand. Please copy it, children. This is a copy in your classwork, amma. What is today homework? Post activity 1, that is do in test book, and post it, children. This both classwork and homework, that both are posted. And activity 2 also do in your test book. Some are gave, okay, some are gave, and remaining is there. This total fill in test book, whatever today homework, amma, activity 1 and activity 2 that both are due in your textbook. First write down numbers. Okay. Next amma, here also write the numbers. Someone gave. Okay. Okay, children. And next class I will explain activity 3. Still any doubts, children? Please ask me in our WhatsApp group. Activity 1 and activity 2, that is your homework. Do in your textbook and post it. Okay, children, take care. Bye.